In this lesson, you will be learning about converting units of measure. So here we have 13 and 8/10 feet, and we want to know how many yards that is. So we can call that our variable. Maybe we'll call that x. Okay, actually, I'm going to grab a different color. So x. All right, so I'm going to set up a proportion. I know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. That is something that is known. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. So I can then set up the other part of my proportion. I need feet and yards. So I've been given the feet, so 13 and 8/10, okay? But I don't know how many yards that is. So I can use cross products or equivalent fractions to solve this. And it looks like I'm going to use cross products here. I can't get from 3 to 13.8 very easily. So I will do 3x, 3 times x, equals 13 and 8/10 yards. Okay, so then I need to isolate the variable, divide by 3 on both sides. And then if I do that, I can bring in the calculator, 13 and 8/10 divided by 3 gives us 4.6 or 4 6/10. 4 6/10, and we're looking for yards. Okay, so if I have 13 and 8/10 feet, that equals 4 6/10 yards. Okay, how about we start with 152 ounces and we want to know how many pounds that is. Okay, so again, I can start off, well, what do I know about ounces and pounds? I know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Okay, so ounces and pounds. So I'm going to set up my other part of my proportion the same way. I'm going to have ounces here and pounds here. Okay, so I know I have 152 ounces, but I don't know how many pounds. I'm going to call that x. Okay, so now I can again find the cross products. Here I have 16 times x equals 152, because it's 152 times 1. Okay. Isolate the variable, divide by 16 on both sides of the equation. And when I do that, 152 divided by 16 equals 9.5 or 9.5. So x equals 9.5, 9.5, and I'm trying to find pounds. So if I have 152 ounces, that is the same as 9.5 pounds. And that's the end of this lesson on converting units of measure.